Good morning, guys. From the interior of my Evo. Actually, we are under the cover because I cover it every night. So, what is the task for today? Today, I'm going to replace and actually I'm going to retrim my steering wheel. I have found a company named Royal Steering Wheels. I would put the link on the bottom so you can see it. So and I need to remove the steering wheel and I need to send it to them so they can retrim it. You will see how it will be. So basically, I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you need to remove the airbag, and how you do that. There are two screws here, one on the side and one on the other side. You will need a Torx. This is exactly what you will need. You will need the Torx. The number of the Torx is T27, so you will need a T27 Torx to remove it. And then after you remove, you unscrew the screws here on the side. There's one here on the left and one here on the right. You unscrew, and then as you unscrew, you need to totally unscrew them, and then as you screw on the left, you kind of pull the airbag, and then you do the same on the other side, and then you come here. There is this little this little plug for the airbag. You pull this down, and when you pull this down, then the airbag will come off. The airbag part will come off. Then there's this black plug here. You just remove it, and then you let the airbag sit on the side. Then you take a little screwdriver, flat screwdriver, and then you remove this. It's stuck in here, so you just kind of have to undo it. Finally, what you will need is you will need a T, number 17, to undo the center of the steering wheel. Okay? Then you remove the steering wheel, you pack it, and you ship it out. So I'm going to remove the steering wheel. However, I need to get you need an extension for it because you will not you will not be able to unscrew it. So this is the extension. Okay. So I do it. Hold the steering wheel. So the nut is off. Here it is. Here's the nut. Then what you want to do is you want to mark the position, right? So you take a marker and then you kind of try to mark the position of this. I'm going to use my camera as well. So yeah. So you have removed the screw. You made a mark with a marker, and then all you need to do is remove it, and it comes off. Here it is. Here's the steering wheel. So what I will need to do afterwards is I need to pack it, and then I will need to ship it to Royal Steering Wheels to have the whole steering wheel retrimmed. So I'm sending it. I'm shipping it. I need to wait for 2 weeks, and then I will go for the review. So stay tuned, subscribe, and wait until the new steering wheel comes in so I can install it, and I will show you how you put it back together. Thanks for watching. Bye.